Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on.
Hi, it's challenge in which I will develop my discipline. I choose 4 points. Let's talk about it. First, training. Training 45 minutes a day. The second is nutrition. No cola, no fast food, no burger, no KFC, etc. The third is reading. Reading 10 pages. It should be self-development books. The last point is I decided I will learn programming 2 hours a day. You can choose something what you want or what you need. All this will last 72 days. I think this challenge won't kill me. Do it, guys. Let's do it.
'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary.
Алышын болып кетіресің ғой. Жоқ. Ол да бір сынақ. Ол да бір барьерді бұзудың амалы ғой. Камерада ағылшынша сөйлегенім де барлығы сынақ қой. Өзіме жасалған сынақ.
Could never turn back now, got to leave it all on the floor.